In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment buttons in Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable button on your site that routes payments through PayPal, and you'll understand what each setting does so you can make confident choices. First, open your Wix editor. On the left side, click the plus icon to add elements. This is your main library for anything you want to drop onto a page, and it's where all button options live. Next, choose Button. This narrows the panel to button types and styles. You'll see regular buttons for navigation and calls to action, but for payments, we want the specialized set. Select Pay Buttons. These are pre-configured to handle transactions, so you don't have to wire up complex links yourself. They're designed for quick actions like buying a single item, sending a donation, or paying a fixed fee. Now, pick the template you want. Choose a layout and label that match your goal. Something like buy now, donate, or pay. You can always restyle the color, size, and text to fit your brand, but start with a format that feels right. Clear wording helps visitors trust the process, and strong contrast improves accessibility. With the button on your page, click Manage Payment Methods. This opens your site's payment settings so money can actually move when someone clicks. Think of this as connecting the button to a real checkout pipeline. From the list of providers, click PayPal. Wix supports multiple processors, but we'll connect PayPal for this walkthrough because it's widely recognized and simple to set up. You can add others later if needed. Click Connect. Wix will prompt you to link your PayPal account so funds can be deposited correctly. Make sure you're using an email that's associated with a PayPal business account or an account that can accept payments in your region. Enter your email address carefully. A mistyped email is the most common reason that payments fail to arrive. Use the address you use to sign in to PayPal and double-check spelling before you proceed. Finally, click Connect. Wix will verify the details and show that PayPal is active for your site. Once connected, your payment button will send customers through a secure PayPal checkout, and their payments will land in your PayPal account. Before you wrap up, place the button where it's easy to find. Keep the label short and action-oriented, and make sure your page communicates what buyers are paying for and what happens next. That clarity reduces friction and boosts conversions. And that's it. You've set up a Wix payment button and connected PayPal, ready to accept payments smoothly.